Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Rising Genius Sudoku. Today we are going to be playing a numbers Sudoku game, which will be a 6x6 grid, and I'll choose, let's say, an easy level. Okay. Let's begin. Now quickly going through the rules of the game. You have to fill in this grid with numbers from 1 to 6, because this is a 6x6 Sudoku. And in this big box, you have to fill up all the numbers between 1 to 6, in a way that the numbers don't repeat. In the big box, the numbers should not repeat in the columns and the numbers should not repeat in the rows. So let's see if we can get started. Let's start with the easiest box. If you see, in this entire grid, in this column, there is only one small cell that is not filled in. So if we cannot have any numbers repeating in this column, and we have a 1 here, we don't have a 2, we have 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we only have number 2 which is remaining. So this box will be filled in with number 2. Now let's check the grid, if there is any such easy box available. See, in this big box, you have 5 numbers already filled in, and you have only one cell which is not filled in yet. Which is that number? Here we have 1, 2, and 3. 4 is not there. We have 5 and 6. So then the only answer that we can get is number 4. Perfect. Now let's look at this row. What is the single number that is missing? We have 1, 2, 3. We don't have a 4, and we have a 5 and 6. So then, we will put a 4 here. Great. Good going. Now let's look at this last row. In this last row, only 2 squares are remaining. Let's see if you can figure it out. We don't have a 1 in this row, and we don't have a 1 in this column. So we can have a 1 here, as a possibility. Now ask yourself, can 1 come in this cell? No, as we have 1 already in this column, so 1 can't come in this cell. So by eliminating 1 as an option from this cell, this is the only cell where 1 can come. Now the last cell remains. If you see, in this big box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so what remains is 6. Perfect. We finished the big box. Now in this column, you will notice just one square that remains to be filled. We have 1, we don't have a 2. We have a 3, 4, 5 and 6, so the only option is 2. And now, in this big box, only one square remains. Can you tell me which number is missing? Yes, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we have number 6 that was missing. Superb, you finished one more big box. Let's keep going. Now check this row, just one square in this entire row is empty. So what can it be? We have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is no 1 in the column, row, or box. So 1 is the final answer. And then let's check for any other cell which is a single cell remaining. We have this single cell empty in this entire column. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only number pending here is 6. And now let's look at these 2 cells. We have a 1 here, 2 here. We don't have a 3 in this column. We don't have a 3 in the big box nor in this row. So 3 is a possibility. But check in the other cell as well. Can we have a 3 here? There is neither a 3 in the column, nor 3 in the row, and nor 3 in this big box. So in pencil, I will write number 3 here and I will write number 3 here because 3 can come in either of the boxes. Let's look at the next number 4. Can 4 come in this cell? There is nor 4 in the row, there is nor 4 in the column, and there is nor 4 in the big box. So yes, 4 can come. I'll write in pencil for now. Can 4 come here? No, as 4 is already in the row, 4 cannot come in this cell. So 4 can come only in this cell. Let's finalize that. So now, in this cell we only have a 3 remaining. Perfect. We completed the big box. Let's see this cell, as it's the only single cell that is blank in this row. So we have a 1, 2 and we don't have a 3 in this row, and we don't have a 3 in this column, and we don't have a 3 in this box. A 3 has to come in this row, as there is only one square that is empty. Therefore this is 3. Similarly, what is the only number that is remaining in this row or in this big box? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 6 is remaining. Great, we finished another big box. Let's look at this single blank cell. What's the number missing? 1, 2. We have 3 that is missing. So 3 is here, and thus, what will this last cell be? There is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hence, 6 comes here. Amazing, we finished this puzzle. Like and subscribe for more such brain game videos. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and exercise your mind.